it's a pleasure for you to join us in the Asia Dialogue Forum edition for Hyderabad. Very quick questions from you. We do not see educational institutes every day coming together for such events and taking one step ahead to understand what do industry want. So from your perspective, how do such roundtables help in getting actionable items to prestigious institute like yours at Thapar to train students better for joining these organizations or such industries tomorrow?
There is a word called reimagine. Okay, so imagination everybody does, and educational institutes have been doing it. So if I have to revise my curricula, if I have to find some kind of activity the student need to do before they go to industry, so those need to be embedded in the curricula. So what usually we do at education institutes, we'll have board of studies, we'll invite 1 or 2 industry people, we'll have 2-3 academia from other academic institutes, we'll sit together and discuss what could be the syllabus or what kind of interventions we need to do in the syllabus. But that is very primitive level. So when we wanted to reimagine it, so we thought that it's not possible for me inviting 30-40 CXOs, CTOs, CIOs to the campus, and they may not have that much of time to coming to the campus. Why not we go and partner with the leading firms in this area and then find out how this synergy will be, that we are going to be there and those invitees from their hometown, they can come and discuss. And that's what these kind of forums are going to help us, that we have now at this point of time, within a short span of 2-3 hours, we are going to discuss with 40-50 thought leaders. And that's good. That's a big kind of a take for any education institute.
Appreciate that. After having these roundtables, what is that one thing you think will be a paradigm shift, like something that you're getting here and you will convey to the students that this is what industry is looking for and this is what we want to prepare you for in the real world?
Now let me take one example here. These forums are not like that our vice chancellor or pro-vice chancellor or a chief technology officer comes and attends. So we are bringing our faculty members along with us. So that also builds a synergy at a very different level. If we are talking about deep tech, and in the deep tech, if I want to work in semiconductor space, so we'll bring our electronics engineering head of the department. So from the first insight, he will come to know that what is happening in the industry. And then that synergy will be that networking at the department level will bring more changes. And those changes can then get implemented because we are part and parcel of it. So that means it's not only a single person or just we came and we note down something, but this is going to go down deep into that what changes. So there is a complete plan which need to be executed.
Understood. With the themes that we have, so we have already done 10 roundtables and this is our 11th one. We deep dived into different themes. Cybersecurity was discussed in Mumbai and deep tech in Hyderabad and Bangalore. How much relevance do you see in such themes?
So these are extremely relevant. I have been teaching security from last 30 years. And whenever I start a class, usually I used to say security is a 10th item on 9-point agenda. So it's afterthought. Okay? But now bringing this at a table, when each and everybody is discussing cybersecurity or deep tech, this is what we wanted. Okay, so these are the topics which need to be more oriented towards what is happening now in the world. Disruption of AI, okay, quantum, and those all things are being discussed, and that's what is required.
So just one last question. What was that one factor that provoked an institute like Thapar, which was doing really well in the field they are in, to come out of their comfort zone? You're based out of Patiala. To come out of Patiala, coming to these tier 1 cities and also to Pune and Ahmedabad, where we did these roundtables, what was that one factor that provoked you to come out of there, come here, sit with these leaders and to understand what they are doing? What we are doing, what you are doing specifically is phenomenal for an institute to come out of that old historical admission process, but to go through these roundtables. What was that one thing that you felt this is the right time to do this?
See, there are 2-3 things which need to be done. Okay, one is we need to have a best of the talent, and when the talent is with you, it's your responsibility that you need to feed them with the latest knowledge. Okay, so they are paying fee, they already have trust on you, but what you are going to deliver. So I cannot just sit in a cozy place and say, okay, this is my curricula, from 10 years it's like this only, I am teaching you, you paid the fee and that's it. So no more are the days when the students is going to just see that there is some content being taught to me, I got a degree. So that is not the intent of Gen Z. They need to know what is happening. They need to know the professors who are doing research and whether they are bringing the research to the classroom or it is that rote learning which is happening. So from that point of view, there were multiple interventions which we did, and I think these kind of forums are going to help us to produce more such kind of interventions in order to polish our younger lot.
Thank you so much. That was it. I once again want to thank you from the entire team of SpeakIn. It was an amazing partnership and we look forward to translate it to much more.
My pleasure. Thank you
so
so
much.
much.